how to allow only friends to stitch your post on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can allow only friends to stitch your post on TikTok. So without wasting time, let's start video. So firstly open the TikTok application. So after opening the TikTok application, so you can see profile at the bottom right corner. So click on profile. So after this, here is the options of 3 lines on the top right corner. So after this, click on setting and privacy. So after click on setting and privacy, here is the options of privacy. So click on privacy. So after this, here is the option of stitch. So just click on stitch, and then you can see allow stitch from. So click on it, and here select friends. So when you will select friends, only your friends can stitch with your video. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.